I set up a run-and gun in some woods. My goal is to put holes in paper while maintaining cover and doing safe reloads. I'm going to shoot my M&P 1522 and my Mosin Nagant. I burned my finger on that brass right there, so that was a good learning experience. Didn't expect to get brass caught in some trees, some tree bark. Safety first. Mosin Nagant time. Mosin Nagant is an entirely different firearm than this. Just as fun though. Honestly, I think the Mosin might be more fun than this. Can you tell I like Mosins? I like Mosins. I like ARs. Love ARs. Especially ARs and 22 long rifle. There she is. If you're Russian, give me some Cyrillic in the comments. It's kind of hot. I don't want to set it on my car. Alrighty. I know this is loaded. I'm not going to test fire it. Beep. See if I hit him. Hit both of them, didn't hit the M&P 22. Safe reload. I don't remember if I shot this one or not. Mosin on point.
Mosin. Ridiculously fun. I know they've gone up in price, but I highly recommend getting a Mosin Nagant, especially at M44. Plus it comes with a sweet bayonet. Hope you can see that from my knockoff GoPro. But honestly, bayonets are kind of obsolete. It's what a sidearm is for. It's what a pistol's for. If you like what you saw and want to see more, subscribe and click the bell. Also, give me some ideas in the comments. I've got more ideas, but I want to hear what you guys have to say. I could always use some new drill ideas.